To add a label to a task, start by navigating to the website. Once you arrive at the site, you will see various options, including the ability to add tasks, search your inbox, and view upcoming tasks, all while utilizing filters and labels. You can also explore your projects, quick start templates, and even add a team or browse through templates. To create a new task, click on the Add Task option and give your task a name and description. You can also set a due date, assign a priority, and set reminders. Additionally, you have the option to add labels to your task, which can be used to categorize and provide context to the task. For example, you can create a label called Read to indicate that the task requires someone to read and review the information. To add a label, click on the three dots and select the Labels option. Then choose from existing labels or create a new one. Once you've added a label, you can click on the task to view it with the label applied. This process allows you to efficiently organize and manage your tasks.